80 years old woman and him granddaughter and 2 other people, my people, they don't arrest them. 80 years old woman. I bet make understand they keep the details down. Because they catch them with 192 kg of cocaine. Not be only cocaine the inside though. My people, if you not see the kind drugs where they pack, if they happen for Ondo State as we they speak now, the grandmother na 80 years, the granddaughter that one na 18 years, and then 2 other people. They catch them. The people who catch them na the same National Drug Law Enforcement Agency because they carry different. In fact, make I even use good English. Assorted illicit drugs, and among them, tramadol dey inside. Wetin they call that one? Methamphetamine. I be waiting. I be now we know a lot of now where they deal with them. Now be that. Swino, cocaine, heroin, squishes. In fact, they plenty. My people are bringing a call outside because I want make una. In fact, make una see our new what do they call her? Mama Escobar. Because join me, make we watch the video.
2021, officers of NDLA Ondo State Command arrested you and Mama in your place at Ayemi area of Ondo State with these exhibits here: screw shoes, cocaine, heroin, tramadol, and Colorado, and methamphetamine. Do you know that these drugs are illegal? You don't know. Just raise your voice. You don't know that they are illegal. So who owns these things that you were arrested? These exhibits you were arrested? It's for your brother.
Yes.
What's the name of your brother?
Tunde.
Tunde who?
Okwade.
Tunde Okwade, and who again?
Goke Okwade.
Goke Okwade. So they are in joint business. Okay, what's your relationship with Grandma?
She's my grandmother.
How old are you?
18.
18 years. Mama, how old is Mama?
80.
80 years. So do you know that these businesses you are doing are illegal business? You don't know.
Yes.
And you know that these things are injurious to human health and it can kill you. You don't know.
80 years. I been waiting this woman still they fine. Like I don't understand. 80. When I know it be 80 years. Just imagine old woman will be 80 years for this kind of business, like this kind of hustle. I don't understand. Hey, the girl even they talk say she no say na illegal. Say the drugs she feel say na normal. Just imagine, just imagine. And with the old woman's reaction, if una watch her very very well. If una watch her well, una go no see this woman. See, it dey very very obvious. Say he don't think when she dey inside this business. He don't think. See how she dey do. And you know old women they go they pretend like say, you know say they're all old. They go come they feel put this sick face so that you go pity them. See this woman don't dey inside this business. Long. But what I don't understand now be say, I beg, how person go they sell drugs and yet it still they look like who they beg. Like I don't understand. I still they try to understand that. You they say drugs, but you they look like who person where the money, all the money where they because these drugs that we they talk about, not be all these cheap drugs. So where all the money they enter? For all of Una they talk say, she doesn't know what she's selling. She's innocent. Una they sure? Una they sure? Because now all these drug dealers they look for people where even if they commit any harm, I don't know whether that thing even they happen because they even tell me say if you reach one certain age as per old people say get certain age where they not fit send you go prison again. I don't know whether not true. So if that thing not true, meaning say they go all these drug dealers they go find person where they go just use because they not say if they go on their own they are young definitely they go enter prison. But make una no forget something. There is no ignorance in court of law. Whether you know what you are doing, whether you did not know what you are doing, there is no ignorance. My people, the law is still the law. This woman. All of una wey dey do drugs, make una continue. No, just continue dey do, continue. Well, e be like say all the matters wey una don hear, una no, you know, dey teach una lesson. They've arrested this person, they've done this one, una still dey go inside this. Okay, this your age, madam, you never even ready to retire. 80 years. Like, no, hey. That the age even dey shock me. You know, time when you suppose dey your house, dey relax. Or maybe I don't understand. You dey push drugs. And as for what did they call the National Drug what agency? Una they do well. I can see the energy and everything now because it's normal people. I beg. I beg. I won't see the same energy. Oh, post the video and pictures. This thing I go still they talk. Of all those people, top people where they come outside, they do their own. I beg. We also want to see them. I mean, my people now no one see them. We want to see names, pictures, if possible, if you even send us videos. We want to see. In fact, I don't vex self. This old woman and the daughter, they no go arrest them. Don't arrest them. Go and look for those ones where they push. You know how many? Make I don't even enter that place is too deep for me to enter right now. All of them top people, but because they know say nobody go fear arrest them, nobody go bring their matter outside. They go still they do it. So therefore now they find the small ones, those innocent or those people where no get money, no get power. Now that one they go boldly come outside, expose them, show us video. See this one, they even interrogate English where you don't even know where you learn from. Now they come outside, they do. It is well, oh. This is our country. It is very well with us by people. We not be smart, but how we for do? We don't already dey inside the country. Not even if you do about that. You understand? We go take a like that. Now only God go take us out of this whole mess we don't enter inside. Now the matter with this my people, and I want make una know say we go soon get a new presenter for this platform. Guess who the person be? I go give you a small tip. Now from the southeast states. Yes, so make the comments start the roll down. If you know, abi you dey suspect who the person fit be, because start the dropper for that side. And don't forget to click on that subscription bell so that you no go miss anything we get here for you. And why not? I still dey wait for the comment. Make they start the roll down. Share this video so that everybody go know wetin dey happen for one-on-one TV. Stay tuned for our next story.